This one is broken. To open this up, you gotta pick up the lever right here, then you can open it. It's like right there. So here's what happened. This thing is broken, and it's no longer holding in place. So, and I believe they're having some issue with this door handle as well. So we order it. Here is the new door handle. And this one came painted, but the teardrop, we gotta go ahead and get this thing painted. So, yeah, it's right here. I'm using my 10mm to undo this one, and make sure you want to hold this thing because you don't want this piece go inside and it's gonna cause some rattle issue. Okay, there we go. So the 10mm should stay in there. Then we're gonna put this cover back, insert the handle, start right there, and press it to the left. There we go. And installed the new one. Make sure it's lined up. Then I'm gonna make sure this one is lined up. And then just snug it right there. Yep. My bottle is almost empty. Just clean this a little bit. And don't forget to put this back. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.